To inspect and replace the air filter on your Ranger 500, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Next, tilt the rear cargo box to access the airbox. Then, clean all dirt and debris from the airbox area. Next, unlatch 6 cover clips and carefully remove the airbox cover. Now, inspect the seal between the cover and airbox to ensure the seal is not torn and has been maintaining a proper seal. Then, inspect the air filter and airbox for dirt, debris, oil, or water. If the filter needs to be replaced, remove the warm gear clamp from the filter neck with a flathead screwdriver or 6mm socket. Slide the filter rearward to remove it from the boot. Then, lift it straight upward and out of the airbox. With the filter removed, clean the intake boot and airbox thoroughly and wipe well with a clean, dry cloth. Note: dirt or debris in the intake boot could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake boot before installing the filter. Next, reinstall the air filter if clean, or install a new air filter if soiled. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Then, make sure the filter is fully seated on the intake boot and that there is no gap between the filter and the boot after installation. Tighten the warm gear clamp. Now, reinstall the airbox cover and make sure both hinges are fully inserted. Secure the cover clips. Finally, lower the cargo bed and ensure it is secure. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.